Hi there. We're still on the subject of the principles you need to apply to realize the strategic intent of your business. Today, we're going to continue where we left off last time and discuss principle number 3. Get wisdom. To be innovative, you need to spend your time wisely, seeking out unique opportunities, seeing and finding out what is emerging. It's one thing to look, it's another to see. You need to be globally aware, but also to know what is happening in your locality. You need to know what works and what doesn't work. You need to keep innovating and improving upon what you did the day before. You are first and foremost your own competition, as long as you are able to keep pushing the boundaries. This is what entrepreneurs are about. What you know will determine the value of your offering, whether it's a product or a service. What you know will also determine how easy it is for you to do business, however harsh the environment is. What do you know about entrepreneurship? What do you know that disrupts the status quo, yet is acceptable and can be profitable? If you think you have solved a problem and another business comes along and takes charge of that sector or that problem and solves it in a better way, in a cheaper way, in a way that clients or customers find to be more value adding, then your business has been eliminated. Now, that's not your desire. So you need to find out what is acceptable. What can I do? What do I know not to do so that my business can thrive? What works globally? What works locally? What can ease the journey? What is government offering? What do I know about the market? Who are the market leaders? Who are the significant players? Let me tell you one thing. You were never meant to do business alone. Let me say that again. You were never meant to do business alone. Relationships are critical to wealth generation. What you need to do is to join yourself with those who smell like you want to. You need people, you need their experience. You need to separate yourself from those who are not just not committed to the well-being of your business, but those people who are not going to add value to you or to your business. You need a knowledge, you need understanding, you need the wisdom that you can glean from the experiences of others who have gone ahead of you. Be open to good ideas. You know what I always say? Anything that already works has the capacity to evolve, but you must own it. You must use technology to scale it. That is what technology is doing now. It is being used to scale things that are already working. The human aspect can never be totally taken out of business management. It is critical. Okay, so you are looking at what opportunities are available to ease your journey. What is the government of your nation, your country, your local government, your mayoral space? What are they offering to medium and small scale businesses? What concessionary loan facilities are the financial institutions, whether they are commercial banks or not, what are they offering? You need to know, because there may be all kinds of opportunities out there that you are missing out because you don't know. What are the requirements of regulatory authorities? You don't want to run foul of the law. Whether those authorities, the requirements are generic or sectoral, what are they? You need to know. So that are you paying tax? For example, in some nations, if you're just a business registered as a business and not a limited liability company, you don't need to pay corporate tax, but you must pay personal tax. What are the non-governmental organizations in your locality offering? There's a plethora of them offering all kinds of support to small businesses and startups. Some people are taking advantage of this. So must you. What else must you know? What other information do you need? Who are your competitors? Do you even know who is competing in the same market as you? What are they doing? I said, and I keep saying, and I will always say it, gone are the days when the competition was the enemy. No more. No more. Have you heard about co-working? How can you get a better or larger share of the market? What are the advantages of working in partnership with others? What other partnerships, apart from with the competition, can you forge? What are the business associations that you need to join to gain from the experience of others? What are the networks of resource persons that you need to engage? These are critical associations and partnerships that you need. Do not underestimate the value of information. Do not. Technology offers all kinds of ways to get data, to track the market, to track the customer, locally and globally. Use technology to solve issues arising in your sector in non-traditional ways. If you need to, engage coding experts to create applications to improve your business systems. Use data analytics. There's so many organizations that offer business advisory services. Cloud computing is there for you to take advantage of. All you need is a dashboard. You don't even need to buy all the equipment. Use data analytics. Get feedback from testing the market to adjust your methods, to adjust your offerings. Listen and listen to me. Hear me. What you do not know can hurt you. Okay? Now, entrepreneurs must, let me say it again. Entrepreneurs must be humble. You must be willing to accept correction and redirection. Most importantly, you must be willing to admit that the current state of your business is the result of all the decisions you have made up till now. Of course, those decisions were based on what you know. That is why you need to upgrade your knowledge, upgrade the information that you surround yourself with, because growth is the way of the universe. If anything is not growing, it is dying. Anything that is stagnating is already dying. So be watchful. Be sensitive. Renew your mind with right information. Listen, it's possible to be overloaded. Watch out for that. Avoid an overload. Make sure that you're getting the right information. Okay? If your business is stagnating, it is an indication that things have or are going wrong. Now it's time to do a health check of your business. It's time to do a thorough diagnosis. It's time to review. It's time to reset. It's time to restart. Okay? The power to get wealth is instruction. You need to be guided. You need counsel beyond your ken. Failure to heed instruction or correction guarantees business failure. Entrepreneurs are lifelong learners. Okay? You need to be a pioneer in your industry. How is that going to be possible? It is if you are willing to expand your view. Entrepreneurs are readers. They read extensively beyond what they need. They attend seminars. They attend workshops. They attend fairs and exhibitions. Why? Because they need to know what's going on out there. Your business or you are not living in a vacuum. You are living in the world of the customer, the world of the competitor, the world of every player in the marketplace. So you need to attend all these functions, these events, so you can open up your gifts, the treasure in you. You need to be informed of current innovations and future trends. Okay? You need all of this information. Why do you need all of this information? Because that is the best way to do business in the 21st century.